Hello guys, let's make a program to check if a number is prime or not. So for that, first we have to take the number from the user and store it in the variable, let's say num. Now we have used the for loop. You can also use while loop, but it is easier to use with the for loop. So this is the syntax for I in range. Range is the function. In the function we have to use two parameters, that is start and stop. I have taken start as 2 because as we know 1 is divisible by every number and we are not divided by 0 of course, and we have set the stop value at num, that is a number given by the user, or we can take any number as an example, that is 17. Next we have to use if condition and check if the number given is divisible by any number or not till this number, let's say 17. So we have to check from 2 3 4 5 6 till 17 if any number is divisible by this or not. So for that we have used modulus function, which gives us the remainder. So we have checked if the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0 means this number is not prime, hence we have break the for loop. That's why we have used break statement. Now if the number is not divisible, then we just have to use the for else part of the for loop and we can print yes, this is a prime number.